Welcome to another adventure, guys. Find ourselves on the tiny island of Menorca, where we're going to be tackling the 115-mile circular navigation of the island called the Cami De Cavalls. We're currently just got off the plane. We're heading to the campsite to get some gas. It's about 20 minutes from the airport, and then we're going to hit the coastline and walk all the way around. We've got a week to do it in, so come on, join us, see how we get on. So we've got to head to Mahan. There's a nice local path we can follow to get us into Mahan, which is good. Weather's nice. Temperature's forecast to be around 19-20 degrees. They don't come with a rain man for nothing. It's forecast thunder and lightning later, but it's just for the one day, I think. So it wouldn't be a Dasbass 007 hike without the rain, would it? Come on. Right, we've got gas, got some water and supplies. Just heading to the coast. See you in a mo. We've meandered our way down to the port. Just going to find our way to the coast now. There's a bit of tarmac walking to actually get to the coast, but we officially are on our way. We're just leaving the harbour now. Time's 1:30. We're just going to go as far as we can tonight. We can walk till about 6-7 o'clock. See if we can find somewhere to camp. The plan is to try and wild camp as many nights as we can. But you know, you never know. We'll see how we get on. But that's the plan. We've got a little bit of asphalt walking initially before we actually get to the coast. So we're just going to leave the harbour. Very nice it is too. And we're heading through there. Just come over the brow of the hill and we can see the sea for the first time. The sea that we'll be following along all the way around for 6 days. Weather's warm, it's around 19 degrees. There is some storms forecast later tonight. I mean, to look at it, you'd say not, but Fingers crossed, eh? Just took a little break, on the go again. We got the defence structure there, built by the British in 1799. Very picturesque little bay though. See Ian down there, it's like we're following the boardwalk around. That made me chuckle. The Cami De Cavalls is also known as the horse trail. No horses allowed on this section. Yeah, we've just climbed out of the little village. Nice steep climb, nice little leg burner. But it's opened up to some beautiful views of the ocean now. Beautiful coastline. Nice track to walk on. What goes up must come down. We've got 2.5k to get to Esgru or Esgrau, I don't know, you tell me. And then we're going to have another break there, get something to eat and push on a bit farther, see if we can find a nice camp spot. Feeling a bit tired to be fair. The 2:30 alarm clock this morning, flight out of East Midlands Airport at 6:30, sort of landed in Mahon a fraction before 10 o'clock, where Ian was waiting for me. He landed 10 minutes earlier than me, so obviously then we went and got some gas and then fetched some more water, and obviously by the time we actually finally got going it was probably about 12ish. Time's now 3:30. So we didn't make a good time really, but it's been up and down. Whew. Just made a little detour into Esgru. Hopefully get something to eat and recharge the batteries a bit. Then we're going to push on then for another, I don't know how long. We'll see how we feel. See if we can find a nice camp spot somewhere along the coast. Just leaving Escrew now. Just had something to eat, some tapas and a beer. Just topped up with some more water, ice cream. And we're going to head out another hour maybe. Start looking for somewhere to camp. That's Escrew over in the distance. Heading uphill again. Pretty easy to follow. A lot of these little posts in the ground. Just gone 6 o'clock. I'm looking for somewhere to camp now. It's so peaceful. We're all pitched up now, guys. Nice little spot just off the beach. We're about a mile or so outside of Escrew. We're tired today, so we'll just call it a day. 7 o'clock, just gone. Nice view though. Chill out now for a bit. I've got myself an Estrella can of beer and I'm going to have that. We had something to eat in Escrew, so we ain't really hungry, so I'm just going to have that can of beer, I think. Hit the hay and then I'll see you guys in the morning. Day 2 of the Cami De Cavalls.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.